Congratulations, my Shiba Inu coin holder. Very congratulations, because after a very long time Shiba Inu will pumps up, and I am so happy because I am a holder of last 3 months, my friend. You go to I invest and Shiba Inu coin, and I am so happy to this coin. You can see my friends give me a lot of profits in every month now. And today, my friend, after a very long time, my friend, Shiba Inu will pump. So a lot of holder ask me, some holder ask me, my friends, to when Shiba Inu will pump. So congratulations this time, as you can see here, my friend, they will pumps up now, my friend. Shiba Inu price is increasing plus 2.39%. Congratulations, this is very good now, and I hope, my friends, they will recover a lot of coin, my friend, in upcoming time. So please, my friend, if you want to get a profit now, do this what I tell you. I will give you guarantee to you will get a lot of profits now, my friend. Shiba Inu price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, but definitely when a holder are starting selling, so that's mean, my friends, so this coin will be go in the garbage. They cannot give you a profit. So therefore I will notify you, please don't do anything before you take a research, before you take a decision. So my friend, in upcoming time, I am 100% sure to after this pump, absolutely this coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, please, if you want to get a profit now, so don't take a any risk, and don't, my friends, do anything now. I hope in upcoming time, my friend, this is possible to, they will give you a lot of profits now. So please, my friend, wait and please hold now. Thanks for watching Shiba Inu coin holder. Please like and subscribe channel. I hope they will make you millionaire now.